Hey everyone! Matching your bank transactions in QuickBooks Online or QBO is the best way to keep your books accurate and avoid double counting expenses. Here is the step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Go to the Bank Transactions dashboard. This is where all your downloaded bank data lives. From the left-hand navigation menu, go to Transactions or Bookkeeping depending on your view, and select Bank Transactions. Choose the specific bank or credit card tile at the top to see the transactions waiting for your review. Step 2. Identify potential matches. QuickBooks does the heavy lifting by scanning your books for existing entries. Look for transactions in the For Review tab that have a green One Record Found or Similar Records Found label in the Category or Match column. Click on the transaction to expand it. Check that the date, payee, and amount in the bank feed align perfectly with the transaction you already entered in QBO, like an invoice payment or a bill. Step 3. Resolve mismatches with Find Match. If QuickBooks doesn't suggest a match but you know the entry exists, you need to find it manually. Select the transaction and choose the Find Match radio button. A side panel will open showing potential matches. If the amount is slightly different, like due to a bank fee, you can use the Suggested Matches toggle or search by date or amount. If one bank deposit covers multiple invoices, check the boxes for all relevant entries until the total matches the bank amount. Step 4. Confirm and categorize. Once the records align, you can finalize the entry. Click the green Match button in the Action column. This moves the transaction from the For Review tab to the Categorized or Reviewed tab, linking the bank data to your bookkeeping entry and clearing it for reconciliation. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.